A St. Vincent yam?
Yeah, we call it St. Vincent.
Okay.
It's a purple yam.
Oh.
It's really soft.
Nice.
If you cook it for more than maybe 3 minutes,
it just breaks down too much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we set all the suckers here. As soon as they get, they're at the right size, now we're going to put them in heels.
Okay. Okay.
Planted. So we have a couple hundred of those. And we have ackee.
Yes, you got to have ackee.
Apples.
Uh-huh.
And then our favorite sugar cane.
Yeah.
Striped ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, let's walk around this and we go over to where we have callaloo. So this is leafy greens, callaloo.
Callaloo, okay.
Yeah, this is after it has been cut. So in another 5 days from now, they will be twice the size they are now.
Wow.
And gonna need to be cut again.
All right. Now, do you treat them like any other greens? You can cook them down? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
And this is probably the most popular item that we have.
Okay.
We cannot produce enough.
Okay. Are you being, are you selling this to markets or restaurants?
We sell them to markets.
Okay.
We sell them, yeah.
Okay. So high demand. And it's callaloo, is that how you say it?
Callaloo.
Callaloo. Okay, thank you. All right. Please.
People come to Jamaica farms because of mangoes.
You are the mango man,
we
right?
Got lots and lots of mangoes.
Oh.
These are Irwin.
Irwin, okay.
Very popular. I guess it's very popular over in Japan. Most people here have never heard of it.
Okay.
Most of the names I've mentioned, you'll never hear of it.
I'll be sending.
Popular all over.
I'll be sending this video to the rare fruit people, and so you'll have a whole.
Came from Thailand.
Okay.
I've not tried that mango yet, but I'm told they'll die for it over there.
What's the? Does it have a name?
You know, I am not certain.
Okay.
I'm not certain. I think when I got it, it was a mango called Philippine.
Okay.
But when I'm looking at what I'm getting as a result, I don't think that is it, because the Philippine looks a little rarer. Okay. They call it Cabola or some name like that. I don't.
And this is a from seed. Is this grafted or is this from seed?
Okay. What I did.
Did you graft on?
This is from seed.
Okay.
And then here I got a plant and I grafted from the plant.
Okay.
Notice that the one that's
there's
grafted.
Your graft union.
Yeah, see the graft union right there?
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is supposed to be the same fruit. And you see it looks different from this one.
Yeah, that has a more of an Indian type shape, but it's small, so I can't judge it just yet.
I'm going to wait to see what I get before I can...
Before you make the final call.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
And going all the way down, just about every tree is grafted with different varieties.
Okay, it's like a
If
polygraft.
I see a variety that I want to try out,
I
stick it on this row.
Okay.
So I got all kinds on this row. I don't even know what some of them are.
Okay. There's going to be a fruit cocktail row.
Yes, that's and that's the famous Julie.
Okay. And then I think in the video I saw you had a Juliet, right?
Yes,
Was that a
Julie, Juliet, and Super Julie. That entire row right there is Julie.
Okay.
Every plant in that row is Julie.
Okay. And they tend to be dwarfish, don't they? If I remember right, do they stay smaller?
Dwarf.
Okay.
This plant, 10 years from now, it still won't reach my height.
Okay.
But
which is good.
It will grow out and will produce a lot of fruit.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, we'll walk along here and then come back down on the other side.
Okay, sounds good.
So that's an entire row of Julie mango.
Okay.
Now this one I tried to put some early season mango on it, and I did that because of the location, so the wind won't get it. So there we got what is called Rosy Gold. This is supposed to be one of the earlier season mangoes.
Okay.
So we should be getting mangoes from this really, really soon.
Nice, nice.
If I can keep the squirrels away. So they'll come and they'll bite it and it falls off the tree.
They're evil during mango season.
So
the bane of a mango grower.
We'll see some of my Irwin falling off.
Okay.
Sometimes what I realize that the tree just got too many mangoes on it.
Yeah.
And if you don't take it off, the wind is going to come and break the limb.
Okay.
I've had trees that snap in two.
I had a Brazil cherry in my yard this morning. I just happened to notice before I came down here, and a whole branch came down because we had a storm last night. Okay. I was like, come on.
Look at that again, Rosy Gold.
Nice.
So, and if I don't hold this up, the limb is going to break.
Okay.
So, so I'm going to come and tie it up a little stronger.
Okay.
Yeah, hold it.
Give it that support.
Yeah. I think I can take this one off. It's starting to crack. If you don't take it off, it's
yeah.
going to cause more problems.
Yeah, it's been so dry, and now we're going to get some rain, so you might get splitting like that. Huh?
And more rosy gold.
Nice.
I've never tried a rosy gold mango.
Really?
I got it
Okay.
because it's going to be the first mango that we have, you know,
Available, right? Early season. I've never had rosy gold either, so.
Yeah, so we'll see what it's like.
Okay.
Oh, some interesting trees when you get over to the other side.
Ah, you're getting down into the exotics over there, huh? Nice.
In these pots here, we have sweetheart lychee.
Mmm.
Now, I love these because the seeds are so small.
Uh-huh.
So I got these air layered from a tree that had very, very small leaves.
Okay.
Small seeds.
Seeds, okay.
Yeah. And they are gonna produce fruit next year. They did produce fruits.
Okay.
I don't know if it's the squirrel, but
Oh, yeah.
all the fruits are gone.
Okay, yeah.
So that's why I gotta get rid of those little
yeah.
shadows there.
Well, they're good barbecued, or you can make a stew out of them. I've barbecued them before.
I'm not gonna. These are Alfonso.
Okay.
Super Alfonso.
Okay.
Yeah, so in fact, all of these are Super Alfonso.
Super Alfonso, okay. Mm.
And they will produce next year. A lot of them did produce fruit already.
Okay. Are you going to keep them in container for a while?
I'm going to keep them in container for at least 2 more years.
Okay, okay.
What happened, people come and they want a large tree that they could take home. And they want me take that one out the ground. I said no.
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
I started leaving some in containers now for those people.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Everything in this bed is dwarf.
Okay.
Dwarf Hawaiian, Pickering, Julie.
Okay.
Yeah, and then here now is where I grow the ones. I think this is an M4.
Oh yeah, I lost an M4 last year. It was kind of a bummer.
Yep, it's an M4.
Oh, they're supposed to be an analog to like the coconut creams, like they have a coconutty flavor.
Yes.
So that's good that you have them, because I'll come and buy the fruit from you, since I wasn't a good parent.
I have a lot of M4 plants full of fruits.
Nice, nice. Well, I will definitely be coming back to see you on that.
Then the guava. What happened to my guava?
Uh-oh, you missing some guava?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
That means some animal gone with it. No, there were huge guavas on the trees. Yep.
Crazy.
Yep.
Crazy.
There were huge guavas here.
Is this jujube or what's this right here? Okay.
Well, for us it's called it's coolie plum, but
Coolie plum, okay.
the jujube will be fine.
Okay.
See guavas on this one?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I hate that because I've been
sucks,
watching that fruit for it to get to a certain size so I could taste it.
Mmm.
This thing had so many jujubes on it that all these sticks you see, and there were many others just to hold the limbs up.
Oh my gosh, that's too bad.
I'll stick to food.
You're gonna have to make friends with the hawks around here and make a deal. So you can have all the rats and squirrels and small birds you want. Just hang out in my oak trees.
more M4.
Oh, cool.
They're kind of small, so they're losing their fruits this first year.
Okay.
These are Julie.
Give them some time.
Yeah, Phelan. Oh, it's another M4. That can go. Carrie.
I have a huge carry in my yard. She did great last year. I got a lot of fruit from her.
They will produce a lot. And then we can go over to the more interesting rows.
Okay. To be continued.